guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're highly welcome, and to my old subscribers, you guys are welcome. Thank you guys so much for always coming back. God will bless you guys for me. Thank you for your subscription, thank you for your viewing, thank you for everything. Yes guys, I'm so grateful. Thank you guys so much. So for the new visitors, please guys, click on the red subscribe button, click on the notification button so you will get my videos each time I upload. Thank you guys so much. In today's video, I'll be telling you guys the backstory of my labor and delivery video. So I gave birth on the 18th. After telling you guys this story, I'm going to show you guys my baby and the name. um I started labor. I gave birth on the 18th, but the labor started like 3 days before that 18th. 4 days before the days before that day I delivered. I was having contractions, though I didn't know it was labor. I thought it was just normal asking his contraction or something. So because I haven't experienced labor before, so I don't know what it feels like to be in labor. My husband noticed that the pain was too much for me. He asked me and suggested that we go to the hospital, but I said no, that I'm not going. Now I was expecting this kind of the labor I was expecting. I was expecting the worst pain, like now in the movies, how the kind of how we see women that are in labor. The kind of shouting, the way they shout, the way the pain. That was what I was expecting. I didn't know that it was that it's not always like that. So 2 days before my delivery, we didn't sleep. The thing started getting stronger and even last longer, a bit longer. Though I haven't, my water did not break. I didn't see any mucus plug. I didn't see nothing like. But I was expecting all those things. I was expecting to see those things before I go to the hospital. But they didn't. I didn't see them before the 17th. And then on the 16th of November, we didn't sleep. So on the 17th, being on Sunday, my husband suggested that we go to the hospital. If they ask us to go back, then we go back. But we'll have to go to the hospital to go and so that they will check what's wrong, because I could not. It though it was painful, but it was not as painful as I expected at that moment. So on that on that 16th, on the 17th rather, we went to the hospital. That was on Sunday. When we got to the hospital that day, when I was going to the hospital, I was feeling the pain. It comes and goes. It does not stay for a long time, but it comes and goes. And mind you, on that 17th, I was already 40 weeks and 4 days. Yes, 40 weeks and 4 days. Sorry. So we went to the hospital. When we arrived at the hospital, the doctors checked me, and after checking me, they gave us a bed. From there in the hospital, the contractions started getting stronger. That was when I knew that, hey, this is no longer a joke. Like, it became worse. I felt the worst kind of pain. Before you know, okay, we arrived in the hospital around 11 in the morning, but before 3, before 3 p.m., the the pain was no longer like it was no longer normal to me. Like, it became times 3. So I was in pain. That was when I knew that, this is labor. This is actually labor. But I didn't even know that even the worst is coming. As in, the worst, if there's a word like that, the worst kind of pain is coming. So um We stayed throughout that 17th. And then on the night of that 17th of November, guys, it was hell. Hell on earth. Like, we couldn't sleep. My husband could not sleep. Even the people around us could not sleep because I was screaming. It's not even, I was trying to control it. Men, women, they try. Like, I didn't believe that labor is that. I I knew that it's painful, but that kind of pain is a different kind of pain on its own. It's different on its own. God. On that night, it went from 0 to 100 real quick. Like, God, I could not stand, I could not sit, I could not, nothing, I could not do anything. Like, standing up is a problem, sitting down is a problem, lying down is a problem, everything is a problem. And at that point, I was dilating 1 centimeter. Can you imagine? Upon all that stress, all that pain, I was still at 1 centimeter. After close to 10 hours, I was still 1 centimeter. Guys, it was not funny. When I heard 1 centimeter, I nearly lost hope. Like, I nearly lost hope. So, okay, throughout that night we didn't sleep because the pain was real. Then the next day, that was around 6 a.m. They were still monitoring the baby and the contractions. Then around that kind 6 a.m. Okay, before 3 a.m. I dilated from 8 p.m. on the 17th to 3 a.m. on the 18th. I dilated up to 4 centimeter, from 1 centimeter to 4 centimeter. So I knew it was there was a progress. So on the by 6:30 in the morning on the 18th, I was dilating 5 centimeter. Yes, 5 centimeter. So they took me to the labor room, to the delivery room. When I got to the delivery room, I stayed there from that 6:30 that I got to the delivery room till 1 p.m. I was dilating 9 centimeter. Yes, I dilated 10 centimeter around the 1:15. That was when the main pushing started. Throughout this process of dilation and contraction, it was hell on earth. They don't tell the labor story, they don't tell the delivery story the way it is. Like, they don't they don't analyze, or should I say, they don't describe the pain the way it should be. Like, the pain is out of this world. Honestly, it's out of this world. So I started pushing around 1 p.m. on the 18th of November. I pushed for about 1 hour plus. From that 1 p.m. to 2:30. I delivered my baby at 2:30. 2:30 that afternoon on the 18th of November. So, guys, it was so surreal. Like, I didn't believe that I can bet a human, like a human so cute and handsome. God, it was an emotional one for me because I had lost hope. Before I got to 10 centimeter, I had already told the doctors to cut the tummy and bring out the baby, because at the end of the day, we thank God, I later gave birth around 2:30, and my baby was doing okay. My baby is doing okay. Me, I'm okay. I got tear, a third degree tear. Yes, I got tear. Like, guys, it was so painful. Couldn't believe that I even had epidural. Still, the epidural, it partially failed. Should I say partially worked? It didn't work fully because epidural was supposed to take the the pain off me, but no, I was still feeling the pain of contractions, and the pain of the stitching of the VJ. So it was not, it was painful. I had tears. It took me about should I say about 1 week till this moment now. If I'm urinating, I'll be feeling the pain. The pain is not here. The pain is not here, honestly. But the joy in all of this is my baby. Whenever I look at him, I God please. Whenever I look at him, I forget the pain. Like anytime I look at him, I feel this kind of love. Like I've not loved a human being the way I love this baby. So the pain was really worth it. It was worth it, really. I'm so happy to have dated this angel. Yes. I am just so happy, and I thank God for blessing me with this cutie right here. Guys, thank you so much, God. Thank you, God. I am so grateful. I don't know how to thank you. I love children so much, but I didn't know that the process of giving birth to children is that painful. I didn't know. I thought pregnancy was the most painful thing ever, but I didn't know that even the labor and delivery is even more painful than the pregnancy. I am so happy. Whenever I look at my baby, I don't remember any pain. I feel so fulfilled. I feel so happy. I feel at peace. I give God all the glory. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. Meet my baby, guys. Meet Jason Ikenna Jr. We gave him Jason. I gave him the name Jason Ikenna Jr. My husband's name is Ikenna. And I wanted, because this is our first baby, I wanted him to answer my husband's name. So that was why I gave him that name, Jason Ikenna Jr. Meet my son, guys. Let me show you guys my son. Meet my son, guys. He's sleeping. Hi, Jason. Say hello to the camera, guys. My son is sleeping. Meet Jason, guys. I am so blessed to have this precious human. I am so blessed. I'm so happy. Thank you, guys. Thank you guys so much. Thank you for being here. Please, guys, subscribe again and support my channel. Please, subscription is not is free. Just click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification button. It's not something that if you do or if you click on, they will charge you differently from this. Please support your girl. Click on the bell notification. You can share this video, guys. Share this video to your families, friends, your WhatsApp groups, school, classmates. Share. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you guys for me so much. Thank you. Let me show you guys my son again. I'm obsessed with this boy. Like seriously, I am very obsessed. Let me show you guys my son. Wait, baby. Here's my son. Guys, he's the cutest being ever. He is the cutest thing ever. Gosh.